guys, welcome back to another food adventure. This time we're trying Bird-N-Bun. It's a place in Long Beach. The area looks sort of industrial. It gives me that LA Arts District vibe. So if you are familiar with that area, then you know what I'm talking about. So we found this place on Yelp and they compared it to Chick-fil-A. So we want to give it a try and see if there's a comparison. We're gonna go inside, check out the menu, see what they have, and we'll let you know what we got. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we got our food. The process was pretty simple. I actually thought it was gonna be like a restaurant type, but you just go in there, there's like one kiosk, you just order, and you just wait for your food. Their menu is pretty simple. It's chicken sandwiches, chicken strips, they have coleslaw, fries, they have biscuit chicken sandwiches. It looks pretty good. I went with the spicy chicken sandwich with pepper jack cheese, and I also got a side of fries, Cajun. So I'm gonna dig into it. It's pretty good. I honestly have to say I like it better than Chick-fil-A. The chicken's really good. Pickles are good. The sauce is good. The cheese is good. It's melted. It's not bad. I'm gonna try the fries. They're waffle fries, they're Cajun. They kind of taste like Popeye fries, but these are much better. It's good.
Hey guys, so I got the tenders and they look pretty juicy. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see how they taste. I also got a biscuit, chicken biscuit with their spicy sauce. So I think I'm gonna give this a try first and we'll see how it tastes. This is really good. The biscuit's warm, soft, and it goes well with the chicken. Definitely like this. So I've tried the chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A and I wouldn't say there's a comparison, but this one really is good. I like it. It's pretty good. And they give you a choice of spicy bird sauce or just regular. I got spicy. And you just dip it. Definitely better with the sauce. So now, let's try this. Oh, so good. Very tender, delicious, hot, so it's good. I definitely will be trying this again.
All right, so that was Bird-N-Bun. If you're in the Long Beach area, check them out. If you're looking for something new, if you want to try a different chicken sandwich place, check them out. You won't be disappointed.
Definitely check them out, and I recommend you to get the chicken biscuit. It was delicious. The biscuit was sweet. It was really good. Something that I've never tried, so definitely get that. And yeah, so if you are in the area, like you said, check them out. Let us know if you check them out, and if you have any other places that you know in Long Beach that we should check out, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, show us your support by subscribing, and we will see you in the next food adventure. So bye.
See ya.